And approach big clear 4430. Just past a big pack of balloons, probably, I don't know, 8,500 feet or so.
Juliet 18, so
Juliet
heading
1.
220, 9000, blue.
Checked.
Sir 64 Heavy, maintain 900,000. Contact Miami approach 120.5.
120.5, maintain 900,000, Swiss 64 Heavy. Bye.
Approach is active.
Check. Miami Central Live Swiss 65 11,800, descending 900,000.
Swiss 64 Heavy, descend and maintain 8,000.
Descend and maintain 8,000 feet, Swiss 64 Heavy.
8000 blue.
Checked.
Nav accuracy is checked and approach is active.
Checked.
Traffic.
Traffic, TCAS, you have control.
Yeah, I have control. TCAS.
Climbing with a high rate, das ist jetzt schon gut.
Speed 1000, station below.
2219, reduce speed to 210.
210, break point 1090.
Air 1639, approach 133.05.
3305, break 1639.
Ja, ist clear of conflict.
Clear of conflict. Okidok, danke. Das Wording ist perfekt.
Welcome. Speed brakes.
Open is send again.
Checked.
Und jetzt kann ich nicht endlich eingeben, was ich will. Insert.
Swiss 64 Heavy, turn right, heading 270. Reduce speed 210.
Right heading 270, speed 210 knots, Swiss 64 Heavy. 1,000 to go.
8000 speed to then, heading jawohl.
Checked.
Checked.
10 Minuten.
Ja, gern.
Cabin crew landing in 10 minutes.
Das passt perfekt, die Schneise. Ja.
Ja.
Traffic 12 o'clock, 6 miles, turning westbound, heavy Airbus 330 at 9,000.
Request
Sending
lower.
over your sequence to the airport.
Say that again?
Ja.
Swiss 65 request lower.
Swiss 64 Heavy, descend and maintain 4,000.
Descend and maintain 4,000 feet, Swiss 64 Heavy.
4000 blue.
Check.
Swiss 64 Heavy, descend and maintain 4,000.
Descend and maintain 4,000 feet, Swiss 64 Heavy.
You and I believe American 1481, were you checking in?
Affirmative, sir. Out of 13 for 12. We have information.
Lights ist gemacht, sehr gut. Die Airfield on our right. Sieht nicht schlecht aus, wenn ich das anschaue. Ja? Hodel minus 59, dass wir da kurz reinkommen. Der zeichnet nicht 22 Grad. Ja?
Moment, der da zeichnet ein bisschen, es wird regnen und etwas schütteln.
Ja.
What do you want on the speed again?
210 for 5 Delta Charlie.
210 on the speed, 5 Delta Charlie.
Mr. Approach Sektor ist auch frei, soweit so gut. Ja?
Ja.
For 5 Delta Charlie, turn
Cabin
right,
is ready.
heading 150 vectors to final, maintain 4,000.
Yes.
Cabin in Galaxy secured.
Yeah, 1,000 to go.
Speed brakes in.
Check.
American 2219, descend and maintain 4,000.
Out of 4,000.
Outstar speed.
Checked.
405 Delta Charlie, contact approach 124.85.
Out.
2485.
Checked.
Wo sind da die Kollegen? Tiefer, hm?
Ja, die gehen hier noch ein bisschen ausholen.
Swiss 64 Heavy, turn right, heading 360, descend and maintain 3,000.
Right heading 360, descend and maintain 3,000 feet, Swiss 64 Heavy.
Vertical speed minus
Nein, das
1000.
ist plus 1,000.
Oh ja, wäre auch noch nicht. Heute aber kreativ gewesen. So. Vertical speed minus 1000, alt 3000 blue.
Checked. Heading 360.
Also, neue
Hier
Variante.
ist gerade... Na, der ist wahrscheinlich auf der anderen Piste.
Genau. Und würde ich sagen, Flaps 1.
Speed checked. Flaps 1.
Checked.
64 Heavy, turn right, heading 060, 3 miles from Hodel, maintain 3,000 till established on the phone, approach course cleared, RNAV runway 9 approach.
Okay, right heading 060, maintain 3000 until final approach, cleared RNF 09, Swiss 64 heavy.
So, track flight path angle engaged.
Check, 300 to go.
Heavy, descend, maintain 10,000.
Check.
10,000, 562 heavy.
Aber das heading 060, das geht gar nicht, oder?
Geht gleich auf.
Booster 64 Heavy, maintain 210 knots to hodl, then 170 knots to doxy.
210 knots to hodl, then 170 knots to doxy, Swiss 64 heavy.
Ich bin fully visual, dass wenn ich zu früh runtergehe, dann ist das volle Absicht. 9-2.
968 Miami approach, back to RNAV approach, runway 9er, descend, maintain 8,000.
Runway's inside.
RNAV to runway 9 down 8,000, Frank 968.
American 2219, turn right,
Aiming
360,
visual.
descend, maintain
Autopilot off.
3,000.
Checked.
360 and 3,000, American 2219.
Visual, huh?
Yep.
Cancel altitude alert.
Booster 64 Heavy, north of the final, fly heading 120, join the final 9.
Heading 120, joining final 9, sorry for that, Swiss 65.
Das war mein Fehler, vor lauter.
So, visual.
Visual.
Flight directors off.
Genau. Und select
Genau.
speed. Engage managed. Speed gear down.
Speed managed, gear down. Pass. BDMI 5, mache final approach check.
Okay. Radio altimeter is alive.
Radio altimeter is alive, checked.
So, flaps 2.
Speed, checked. Flaps 2.
2160 Miami approach, back to the, you're able to do the RNAV approach, runway 12. Negative.
Jetzt stimmt's wieder.
Passing, genau. Little bit low. Final approach check. Visual, 3000 set for the missed approach.
Flaps
64 Heavy,
3.
contact tower 123.9er.
Flaps 3, 123.9er, Swiss 6 for heavy. Flaps 3.
Check. Und flaps full.
Speed checked.
Miami approach,
Flaps full. Tower leave Swiss 6 for heavy on RNF 09.
Swiss 64 Heavy, Miami Tower, runway 9er, clear land, traffic landing runway 12, hold short of your runway.
Cleared to land runway 09 and hold short of runway 12, Swiss 6 for heavy. Hold
Swiss
short.
64 Heavy, your full length is available for you. Full length is available for you.
Full length available for us, Swiss 6 for heavy. Ah, das wäre auch Land and Hold short gewesen,
Ja, genau,
okay.
das darf man nicht.
Ich meine von der anderen Piste, wenn wir rollen. Okay, 1000 is over, 500.
Check. Landing check. Visual. Landing check,
Ich
please.
habe immer Landing no blue.
Landing no blue.
1639, turn left, hold short of runway 12 at Victor and remain this frequency.
3 left, hold short of 12 at Victor, American 1639.
200.
Slightly low.
50, 40, 30, 20, retard.
Spoilers. Reverse screen. Decel.
American 1639, cross runway 12, cross runway 8.
70 knots.
American 1639.
Brakes.
American 2290 was resigned. With 64 Heavy, turn left, cross runway 12 and join Quebec, ground 121.8.
Left, cross runway 12, join Quebec, ground 121.8, Swiss 65. Schöne Landung.
Ja, dafür vorher etwas durcheinander. Also.
Cross runway,
Cross 1-2 hat er gesagt.
genau.
1639, Miami down, turn left on Quebec, right on Yankee, November to spot 9.
Und Ground erst noch, oder?
Mhm.
Okay, Quebec,
Okay.
Yankee, November, spot 9.
Left
AP
side
is
clear.
not required.
Ground 1536.
Right side clear.
Dave's occupied, we'll need to go hold somewhere. 1536, Roger, get ready to come.
Checked.
Checked.
Just continue straight ahead to hotel.
And
Ah, ist gut, ist frei.
Good. Ground hello, Swiss 64 Heavy, crossing running.
64 Heavy, Miami ground, taxi via Quebec to the ramp.
Via Quebec to the ramp, Swiss 64 Heavy. Also gang off the ramp. Ramp hello, Swiss 64 Heavy, approaching the ramp.
64 Heavy, good afternoon. I'm cleared in spot 24, Juliet 18.
24 and Zulu 18, Swiss 64 Heavy.
Juliet.
Juliet 18.
413, give way to 10 behind you and then push back to spot 21 and advise taxi.
So, cleared in, ne?
Jawohl, die ist off.
Beinahe pünktlich.
Wie viel Grad war es?
31.
Flaps 1.
Between November 6 November 7 on the taxi lane. Just to the south side of the taxi lane.
Juliet 18.
Nur auf den da achten, da. Der sieht sowas von entspannt aus.
Wir verabschieden uns jetzt von Ihnen und hoffen, dass Ihnen der Flug mit uns gefallen hat. Im Namen von Swiss und der ganzen Besatzung besten Dank und auf Wiedersehen.
Links ist okay.
And clear right side.
What type of object? It was reported possibly a glove. Roger. American 1639 company reported some thought on between November 6th and November 7th. If you want to get out on the
Kommt das gut auf der rechten Seite?
Clear right side, yes.
Okay, we'll join Mike behind